You know what? I was gonna title this video "Welcome to the World of Women," but I'm actually gonna title this video "The Real Reason Why Women Use Dating Apps and Why You Can't Set a Date." But anyway, welcome to the world of women, my dear friend. Let's go.
Right, I've got a serious question to ask the women and ask the guys as well about Hinge. For the women, why is it that you match blokes on there and then have a little bit of small talk, you then arrange a date, and then boom, nothing, absolutely nothing. Basically fucking tumbleweed. Like, you be giving it small.
Listen, whether it's Hinge, whether it's Baidu, Bumble, POF, Tinder, Adult Friend Finder, fucking Find a Muslim Wife, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, Jehovah's Witness, us, whatever you want to call the fucking dating app, all the gal them are all the same. Fucking on some time waster shit, boy.
Compliments back and forth, you know, it's not like you get no matches or nothing, but it's literally like the same thing over and over. Like, why is it you match a guy and then, you know, the guy then says about going on a date and then you're then not interested in the slightest? Looking for long-term relationship, but short-term okay, but you won't even go on the date. And for the guys, am I the only one who experiences this, or am I just unlucky or shocked, bro? Because this is a fucking piss take.
Nah, big man, you're not the only one that's experienced this. Everyone that goes on dating apps will experience this, unless you're some fucking 10 out of 10, 6 foot, 14 with a fucking jawline made out of ass clout granite, and you got money falling out of your pockets because you got so much money and that. Every guy is going to experience girls being time wasters. Why are girls time wasters on dating apps? Why are girls on dating apps? 90% of them. It's just because they want to break from their boyfriend and they're using the dating apps to take their mind off of him. That's it. That's the big secret. Yeah? Fuck what you heard. These chicks are on dating apps for the most part. Can't speak for all of them because I know the everybody please, the generalization please is going to try and get onto me and that. But for the most part, the reason why they get them on dating apps, they're on a break from their boyfriend and they just want a bit of validation. They want to see who else is interested in them because their boyfriend dumped them. That's it. They're just using it to take their mind off of their boyfriend. And eventually, you know, after, I don't know, 2-3 weeks or a couple months, they're going to get back with him. They're going to disappear off the dating app. Then they'll be back on it again after a year or so when they have another breakup. That's it. So it ain't got nothing to do with the guy, yeah? You know, no homo, yeah, you know, a little bit above average, you know, no homo and that, yeah? So it's nothing to do with him. I don't know what he's on. I don't know nothing about him or whatever. But it don't matter what he's on, yeah? Because some people could be like, well, you know, you don't earn 100 grand. That's why you can't get a date. I mean, there's plenty of broke guys that are in full-time relationships right now, innit? Yeah? Ain't got 2 pence to rub together, but they've been in a relationship for 5, 6, 10 years and that. So it ain't got nothing to do with money. Don't let these fucking girls try to convince you that you need to earn 100 grand to bag them, yeah? Look at all their past boyfriends. None of them are earn 100 grand, and I guarantee you, in 3-4 years' time, check back with them, they'll be with some guy that is not earning 100 grand. So it's bullshit, yeah? The gallem are just time wasters. It's as simple as that.